Factories and warehouses are the heart of modern industry, but sometimes they become scenes of shocking disasters. Today, we're looking at 10 real factory accidents that were all caught on CCTV. These clips are intense. Watch carefully and learn why safety should never be ignored. 1. China, a fire that started with a spark. In a warehouse in China, one worker made a terrible mistake. He set fire to foam materials, thinking it would burn slowly. Within seconds, the blaze spread out of control, filling the entire area with smoke. The man was later arrested, and investigators confirmed severe safety violations. 2. Peru, Pepsi factory explosion. A water tank exploded inside PepsiCo's plant in Santa Anita, Peru. The blast sent dirty water flooding through nearby streets, overturning cars and injuring several people. Sadly, 3 lives were lost. Authorities said excessive pressure in the tank triggered the explosion. 3. Foundry blast, the wet scrap mistake. Inside a steel foundry, rain-soaked scrap metal was accidentally loaded into a red-hot furnace. The trapped moisture turned into steam instantly, expanding like a bomb. The massive blast scattered debris, but luckily, no one was killed. For China, fireworks factory explosion. Near Jinhua, a small fire in a fireworks warehouse ignited hundreds of stored fireworks. The chain reaction was devastating: loud blasts, fireballs, and chaos. 9 people were confirmed dead, and officials later cited multiple safety violations. 5. Thailand, crushed by a steel roll. At a storage facility in Thailand, a massive steel roll slipped and crushed a worker's legs. Co-workers rushed in and managed to free him within minutes. It was a painful reminder that heavy materials must always be secured properly. 6. Guangdong, China, lithium battery chain fire. A small spark in a warehouse full of lithium-ion batteries led to a terrifying chain reaction. Hundreds of batteries ignited in seconds. The owner reported heavy property damage, but thankfully, no fatalities. 7. Spain, hydraulic oil fire. In an aluminum extrusion plant, a gasket failure caused hydraulic oil to spray over a hot machine, instantly catching fire. Flames burst out like a portal to hell. Workers escaped safely, but the fire destroyed much of the equipment. 8. Russia, e-commerce warehouse blaze. A huge blaze broke out inside a Russian e-commerce company's warehouse. Firefighters battled the inferno for hours. Later reports revealed the building had no active fire inspection and its alarms had been disabled, a deadly combination of negligence. 9. Thailand, warehouse torn apart by storm. A powerful tropical storm ripped through a coastal warehouse, tearing apart the roof and collapsing metal beams. Workers narrowly escaped by taking shelter inside nearby vehicles. Natural disasters can be as dangerous as industrial mistakes. Taiwan, China, chemical plant explosion. A violent explosion rocked a chemical factory, shattering windows in nearby apartments. The cause was never officially confirmed, but early signs pointed to poor maintenance and ignored safety warnings. These incidents prove that when safety rules are ignored, the consequences can be deadly. Stay alert, stay trained, and never underestimate risk. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which moment shocked you the most. See you next time. Stay safe.